We're about to go on a front row ride of Busch Gardens DarKoaster. This is North America's first all-indoor straddle coaster. It has 4 launches going over 2,400 feet of track. It is family friendly with a height requirement of only 48 inches. Without further ado, let's hop on the ride.
Do you have what it takes to brave the storm? Let's find out.
We got eaten. We didn't make it.
Now that you've seen what the DarKoaster is like from the back, we're gonna go take a ride on the very front.
Do you have what it takes to brave the storm? Let's find out.
What's in the shed, dude? What's in the shed?
Big thank you to El Toro Ryan for sharing this footage. I'll put a link to his channel down in the description, and let us know in the comment section if you've been on this ride or if you'd like to ride this next time you go to Busch Gardens Williamsburg.